recently appeared in a Broadway show, Having Our Say. Yes, we can say it. Vinie has also been a tireless activist in the cause of peace, justice, and reconciliation. She is a permanent representative for the Women's International Democratic Federation, a non-governmental organization in consultative status with the Economic and Social Council of the United Nations. Let's hear it for Vinie Burrows! Brother, if you don't stop bothering me, you're going to have a bigger problem.
Oh, this is heavy. Well, thank you. Sisters and brothers, hermanas y hermanos. My name is Vinie Burrows. I am a member of the Granny Peace Brigade, and I June 19, 1865, exactly 143 years ago, the Union soldiers came to the port of Galveston, Texas, and announced that the Civil War had ended 2 months earlier, and even more important, that President Abraham Lincoln on January the 1st, 1963, 2 years before, had signed the Emancipation Proclamation, which abolished slavery in the United States. Slavery, that crime against humanity, was over, kaput, verboten, abolished. The enslaved Africans in Texas, whose foreparents for more than 2 centuries, some estimate as many as 10 million, have been kidnapped and shipped to these shores under the inhuman conditions of the Middle Passage. These enslaved Africans, blacks, African Americans, were finally released from their bondage. They were no longer property, chattel slavery. They were free, free at last, thank God Almighty, they said. We are free at last. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Slavery was abolished in the United States of America, at least legally. Juneteenth is an African American holiday, but the state of Texas in 1980 made it an official state holiday. And since then, 28 other states have recognized the significance and the importance of June 10th. Flash forward to today, June 19, 2008, and let us look at the condition of people in color in these United States. Examining all the social and economic indicators by which we judge the quality of life, employment, education, health, housing, where do the descendants of those African Americans who literally leaped for joy on that June 19th in Galveston, Texas, how would they measure our condition today? Yes, there have been changes, but I ask the question, who are still the poorest of the poor? Who are still the least educated? Who are the least housed? Who are the most imprisoned? Whose babies die earliest? And whose life expectancy is lowest? I ask the question, and you, brothers and sisters, know the answer. Isn't it time for we the people to declare and to sue for another Emancipation Proclamation? Our condition is no accident, brothers and sisters. We must not blame ourselves when we have mothers and fathers working 2 jobs and still cannot feed their children properly. The state has retreated from its obligations to its citizens. And I'm talking now about all poor people. And the ranks of the poorest are crowded with people of color, and that is no accident. And I ask you, I actually beg you to read the book, The Color of Wealth, which tells you very, very concretely about the widening gap between those that have and those that have not. The color of wealth, the wealth may be green, but the people who own it are white.